the clothes. Where are your clothes? Is it true umevaa? Hakuna zingine?
How can't you see what is right in front? Or is there something else that you need? 'Cause you might just lead me on. Please don't take me too far. It will be what never was. I'll go if you go, and stay if you want. Your hand leaves my hand like it's nothing at all. My heart, give or take, you know you can have it, but you're not holding space. Not for me, not even a drawer. Please don't take me too far.
Namwambia mami hivyo.
It will be what
Namwambia mami
never was.
yake. Mimi sina mimi.
Hey guys, how have you been? I hope you've been well. I know I've been missing for some time from the internet, but it wasn't intentional. I had things to take care of and we changed location. Yeah, it's a permanent location because I have been wanting to change the location for a long time, but it took me time to actually settle for where I wanted to change my location to, and I settled for the countryside. Honestly, my work doesn't need a location, it only needs Wi-Fi. We relocated to the countryside and now I'm here. I'm gonna do home making videos, but related to the countryside, my life here, just my daily life, like the way I've been doing my videos, sharing recipes, maybe farm to table, because lately I'm eating from farm to table, and also try to organize myself. So come along with me. I just wanted to come here and tell you that I changed locations in case you're wondering, or maybe she's on a short holiday. No, I'm not on a short holiday. I'm fully here. It's very hot. So I'm still doing laundry. I want to finish laundry and see what I can do next. Hebu remove the ones that are ripe.
Close to violet on a Sunday, nearly made it into bloom. But I know, oh, the ordinary Monday turning back to blue. Long for what's to come, keep forgetting how to make it known before it's already gone.
Full of post-its in the ceiling of things I'd like to follow through, but I hold on. A visionary, sunlight shows an empty room.
Long for what's to come, keep forgetting how to make it known before it's already gone. Looking back too soon is how you know. Did the moment even make it past the room? Long for what's to come, keep forgetting how to make it known before it's already gone. Looking back too soon is how you know. Did the moment even make it past the room?
I haven't felt the sun or the blowing of the wind. Don't know where it goes, haven't heard where she's been. To be happy, stay strong, to feel love, to be known. I haven't read a book without skipping a page. I don't take the time, I don't know how to wait. To be happy, to stay strong, to feel love, to be known. I haven't felt the stars, I haven't seen the moon. I wrote them all in song so I could sing for you. To be happy, to stay strong, to feel love, to be known. To be happy, step. You don't have to wait. Lose that breath. You don't gotta change. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, you're doing fine. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, it'll work in time. Don't trust that voice, just let her speak. You got a choice, just let it be. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, you're doing fine. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, it'll work in time. Stay on the road. Stay on the road. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, you're doing fine.